Sunshines. I'm Ivy. She, her pronouns. Happy Pride Month to everyone. As a teacher with Your Lesson Now, I teach voice feminization, piano, and audio engineering. I love making music, mixing other people's music, and really anything sound related. Sound design, Foley, game audio, just you name it. Outside of music, if I'm not watching horror, sci-fi, or monster movies, because that's most of what I watch, I'm playing video games, mostly horror, surprise, RPGs, and really anything with a really good story, and platformers. You know, I've got Hollow Knight is one of my favorite games. If I'm not playing games or kind of online, then I like hanging out under trees. I'm from Colorado Springs, Colorado, and so there's a lot of mountains and forest space to explore. That's a lot of fun. I've spent a lot of my adult life helping friends and kids navigate their coming out experience. I'm very much an online person, so I try to help folks as much as I can in forums and groups and really try to provide them a space to be themselves and to explore and to have fun. If you want to learn about music, then it doesn't really matter if it's piano or music making programs, Ableton, FL Studio, Logic Pro, Pro Tools, whatever. Songwriting, audio engineering, making your own sounds or instruments or synths. I'm totally happy to nerd out, and I'm really focused on practical application of music theory, how you can use it to your advantage, not just like, here's the major scale, okay, cool, bye. But like, how can you use these things to evoke the emotions that you want to? And just keeping in mind that, you know, they're guidelines, they're not rules. They're things that can help you explain what's going on and kind of get you past a rut. That's kind of all the big things from me. I would like to know, so tell us in the comments below, what do you want to learn? What are things that interest you? And if you'd like to, subscribe for helpful hints, tips, and tricks. And if you're ready to take your own one-on-one lessons, don't forget to use the code PrideMonth22. It's PrideMonth22, no spaces. Use that this month for $20 off your first lessons. That's PrideMonth22 this month for $20 off of your first lesson. Thank you for stopping by. Happy practicing, and may you have a beautiful day.